tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. Today I'm going to be making you some traditional Persian food. This is the proper ultimate traditional food. Do you know what I mean? It's proper tradition. I'm mumbling my words. Anyway, what it's called is Ghormeh Sabzi. It's got meat, it's got red kidney beans, it's got herbs. You have it with rice. You can either have it with salad or you have it with yogurt. I prefer yogurt. So yeah, stay tuned, and also do me a favor, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, MosToosifar, follow on Instagram, MosToosifar as well. Yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I've said all of this before. Enough with the intro. So guys, to start off with, I've got the pan, it's on cooking, not even cooking, it's heating up. What you want to do, you want to get some oil. Keep going and stop. Okay? Around. Lovely jubbly. Guys, I'm using a new angle of the video. I've set the camera a bit higher. Tell me if you prefer it this way or keep it the original way where it was before. Anyway, that's done. Now what you want to do, I've got some meat here. I'm gonna pour it in before I splash it. Hopefully it doesn't splash back. Okay, get rid of that. What you wanna do, let this cook for a little bit, change color, okay? Just to heat up and just, you know, change a little bit of color. That's what you want. So, as you can see, a beautiful meat here has changed a little bit of color. It's no longer pink. Well, some parts of it is anyway. But now, what you want to do is, a spoon, tablespoon, turmeric, half a spoon. All right. Look at this. Get it in there. Okay. Close the lid of that. That's all I'm going to add to it. The only reason why I'm adding it to give it that little bit of taste and fragrance. That's it. Otherwise, this is going to turn green, believe it or not. I'll show you as the video progresses. Now, I have got my kettle. I've brought the water to a boil. All I'm going to do is give this a quick mix. Get the turmeric to go everywhere. Okay? Right? And then what I'm going to do is this. I've got my kettle. Off we go. Pour the water in. Yeah, there you go. That was a whole kettle, guys. That was a whole kettle. A bit of spinach here. Sort that out. Yeah, leave that. As you can see, it's already come up to a boil, which is good. So give it a little bit longer. Let the water in here get to a boil. Like so, a little bit more, and then what you want to do, or already anyway, get the lid, leave it on there, okay? Wait a bit longer for it to get to a proper boil, then leave it on level, mid-level. Mine goes up to 6, so I'm gonna leave it on 3. Give it 3 hours. Let it cook slowly. 3 hours. Keep checking on it regularly. Make sure the water doesn't finish, it doesn't burn. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. So this is going to be a long video, guys. See you in 3 hours. Wow, guys, it's been a long 3 hours. Now, let's have a look to see what we've got in the pan. It's, oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to explain that in a second. Just have a look at this. This is nice. These are ready. These are soft now. Yeah. Okay. Let me just put the lid onto the side for a sec. By the way, guys, I didn't explain. These are herbs. I've chopped them up. I've cooked them already. Didn't show that part. Sorry, I did get carried away. Herbs. There's parsley, coriander, a few other things in there. There's some turmeric in there as well, believe it or not. Yeah, I've fried them. Obviously, chopped them up, fried them. Now it's time to put them in the pan. So let's go. Okay, that's that. What I'm going to do now is I've got 4 equivalent of 4 cans of red kidney beans, right? That's going to go in. I do like my red kidney beans. I'm going to be farting a lot, I'll tell you that, no joke. Right, that's there. Okay, before I even mix it up, I'm gonna add everything. Add a bit of salt. Okay. Add a bit of pepper. Now, these are dry lime. Can you get that? Can you see that? What I've done, as you can see, I put some holes in them. Okay. These are obviously dry. Okay, what I'm going to do, put it in there. It's going to give it a taste. It will obviously melt, not melt. It'll, you know, it'll get soft, soggy, and then the flavors of the lime will go into this. And on top, I've got some lime in a bottle. About half of that. Where is it? Can you see, guys? Half of that is gonna go in the pan to give it that taste. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. No, I'm kidding. Alright, that's enough, guys. That's enough. I'm getting carried away. Right. Give it all a big mix. Look at that, guys. This is a big pan. I've never cooked this much. That's a lot. Okay. Give it all a good mix. Good old mix. Now, you want to let all of these get in there, get all the flavors, get everything mixed up, jolly good. Oh, look at that. They're popping up, but it's all going to get mixed up. Get that done. What I'll do as well, where is it? I'm going to add a tiny bit of oil. That's enough. Now, give it a final stir, final mix. It's on level 4, by the way, guys. It wasn't boiling, so I had to leave it on level 4. So that's that. There you go. All I'm gonna do, leave that. Get the lid back on. Leave that for another 30 to 45 minutes, and it's ready to be served. Don't go anywhere. Yo, we are back. It's been about half an hour, 40 minutes. So let's lift this up. Oh, guys, Let me tell you, if you are Iruni, you know what this is. Hello. Welcome to Daddy. I'm gonna eat you right now. Guys, look at that. I don't wanna, well, actually I can. Let me, where's the thing? I've got my rice, it's ready as well. Let me bring it to the camera before I make a mess. Anyway, that is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. B-A-U-T-ful. You know? This is very, very yummy. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the rice. Oh, it's cooked already. The rice is cooked already. I'm gonna sort it out, prepare it, get it ready. I'll show you guys. Guys, the time has come. Let me turn this off. Guys, you have no idea. You have no idea what's here. This is beautiful. Let me squeeze these limes out. Get the juices out of them. We need it. What I'll do, I'll squeeze these and then get rid of them because they got what do you call it? Bits. They got seeds inside them which you don't want to obviously bite into. So get rid of that. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, now that it's all out, what you want to do, give it the final stir so those lime juice and everything gets mixed, goes really into it. It's all marinated nicely, guys. This is a huge pan. This will serve at least 10 people. Yeah. Get rid of that. Got my bowl. Dig in, guys. Dig right in. What you want to do? You want to get some of these kidney beans. You know, farts are natural, guys. Yep, I said it on YouTube. There you go. And you want to get the meat, of course. Don't forget the meat. Dig it in there. Yeah, look at that. That's absolutely beautiful, that is. That is gorgeous, that is. Look at that. Right, I think that is enough. That's what you call Ghormeh Sabzi, guys. Alright? Persian traditional food. Let me put it on the table, show you what it looks like with the rest of the stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. I had to bring it to the table because there's obviously a lot to take in, but there you are. That is your Ghormeh Sabzi stew. Is it called a stew, I think. You've got your yogurt, saffron, rice. Enjoy, guys. Bon appetit.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come